Yes, where are those Yorubas that are supporting Bola Ahmed Tinubu? I cannot hear your voices anymore. You see, this is what we are telling you guys. You don't have to be a bigot. You don't have to support a bad product. If you have a bad product cannot sell. That is the fact. You understand? You see, Bola Ahmed Tinubu is a man whom you guys said is a master strategist. Yes, that was exactly what you guys said. He's a master strategist. He knows what to do. He's only interested in guiding his properties and his business. And also fame. That's the next thing he wants. How can Bola Ahmed Tinubu go and invade a sovereign state of Benin Republic when his house is on fire? Okay, the North, I wouldn't say that Tinubu is afraid of the North. It's only piping low because he won 2027. You have no reason to move across the border of Nigeria for any reason when terrorists, bandits have shown you that they have weapons. Do you know recently a terrorist said that they will kidnap the president? That's Bola Ahmed Tinubu. Did you hear it or not? The same bandit was with Sheikh Gumi. The same bandit was with Matawale. The same bandit was with Governor of Bauchi State. They cannot get him down. You understand what? Then Tinubu has the infantry. He has the liver. He has that mind to take aircraft from Nigerian military to go and stop a coup going on in Benin Republic. You can see that he has nothing to offer. Can you defend such a man? You can't defend him. Let me tell you, let me be blunt. President of Cameroon should be brought down. What is his name? Paul Biya. He should go down. The man is, I don't want to say that he's old. He should leave that seat. In fact, they should overthrow him. The same way they are doing everywhere, they should do it round. All of them that are old on top of this game should go down. That is the way it should be done. I don't mean bringing them down and bringing mad people like what they not. Recently, there was a coup against Tinubu. Nobody heard it. We heard it, but they covered it. They are not talking about it. 16 officers from Fulani did a coup against Tinubu, and they did as if it's nothing. 1966 coup was the reason why Igbos were highly marginalized. The North and the Yorubas came together, sat down that Igbos will never rule Nigeria. And they stood by that. That is the reason why you see all this marginalization against the Igbos. Not that those people leading Nigeria are competent in any way. No, they are not. That is just the simple reason you see that the Igbos are crying, doing this. Anything the Igbos put their hands, they block it. It's just they are afraid that if an Igbo man goes there, he's going to stop what is happening. He's going to do this, he's going to do that. That is their mind. Working with their masters, Britain. They know all these things. We know the list of Igbo person. I mean, like a boy of 10 years is aware of what I'm telling you. We have already told everybody. All our children are aware. We are not hiding it because we cannot be brought down. That is why we make the history clear to them and tell them this is the red flag. This is the red line where nobody must cross. Nobody can colonize us or take over our communities, our place. It is not possible. We have giving our children information about what has happened and what is going on. And they can see it. So if you are with an Igbo man, you think that he does not follow you, know what is happening. You're a joker. Even after Babangida came and said that 1966 coup was not an Igbo coup, still the whole Nigeria don't agree with him. What they already have in their mind is what they still have in mind. That is why you see the marginalization. I don't think you can bring an Igbo man, Yoruba man, Hausa man, Fulani man, and they will defeat an Igbo man. I don't believe in that. Academic-wise, business-wise, social-wise, anyhow you can think of it. I don't think they can defeat an Igbo man. No. Strength-wise, they cannot. This is the only way they can do it, by putting divisions among our people, like they are doing using Ojus or Kano, who wants one Nigeria. Using the Vumahi, who is stupidly talking like a rabbit. The regime of Bola Ahmed Tinubu is good for them. They are no more talking Biafra. You speak for yourself. The Vumahi and your family, you do not want Biafra. The whole of Igbo people want Biafra. That is the reason why Mazi Nnamdi Kanu asked for referendum. Animal, you come online and you talk trash. Speak for yourself. I am speaking for myself. Speak for yourself. Don't come and talk that nobody wants Biafra. You are talking rubbish. If people catch you, they will chop you alive. And the last Igbo man, what he has in mind is Biafra. Nothing again. You can't see it. That is the reason why you see sit at home from the east. You think it's a joke? You don't get it? That's the reason why you see sit at home. That's the reason why you see the love for Mazi Nnamdi Kanu. There's no other thing. So if they Vumahi, because they have told you that I will give you Senate President, after Tinubu, I will make you Senate President. Babangida Buhari said it. Ateze came and said that after Buhari will hand over to Igbo man. Where is Buhari? Where is Igbo man? The same thing they have told you, Ojos Okana, and told Dave Umahi, and the rest of you that are already a psychophants, all these stooge. The same thing they told them is what they are still telling you. And they are talking. At the end of the day, you will come home crying. Exactly. You will come home with shame. Nothing can stop it. You want to trust an outsider than your people. You will come home with shame. 100%, I tell you. So, if anybody is listening to these animals, forget them. They are nothing to write home about. The topic here is about Tinubu. Tinubu has failed. Even the Yorubas cannot defend him. Even few days ago, Wole Soyinka, who was mute all this while, he came up and he said something very reasonable. People were expecting him to talk. Look at the one they call Adeboye. That one is still grabbing people's money, talking about nonsense, tight and rubbish prayer that never works. Prayer doesn't work. Go and work. When you use your hand to work, you get money. You don't need any prayer. It does not work. Yes, I said it. It doesn't work. So if you are going to Yoruba church, I want to be tribalistic now. If you are an Igbo man going to Yoruba church, shame on you. Shame on you. Big shame. If you don't know what to do, sit home and pray to your God. If prayer works, when you pray at home, God will listen to you. You don't need to enter that useless business center. I tell you, Bola Ahmed Tinubu regime will not work. Even the one coming will not work. The next one will not work. That is the system. The system is porous and rotten. There's nothing you can do about it. So, him going to invade another country is already a minus for him. Why the terrorists are ravaging and killing people all over Nigeria, taking over people's land and chasing people up and down, killing Christians in large number. Bola Ahmed Tinubu is interested in going to invade other people's land. Let him go and bring back the aircraft that 11 military went with. Let him go and bring it. This is to tell you people that it's not about my tribe. It's about competence and giving you life. You need life. You need to live life before you kick the bucket. That's all I've got here. I rest here. Thank you.